Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. Top 5 carry items. Number one on my list. Flashlight. Don't leave home without one. I don't know. Flashlight. It's number one. And this is the Amutorch E3S. Got this off of Temu. Got it off of Temu right there. Amutorch. Comes in this nice little box or case. Random color with charging kit. So I got lucky. I got blue. There's purple, black, this blue, and red. So I guess anything other than the purple. If I got purple, I would have ordered another one, gave this one to the wife. But it's got this cyan baby blue. Did not come with the magnet. I put that on there as an accessory. Okay, so I modded it already. Strong magnet. Okay, strong magnet. On the bottom, I forgot what type of battery. I think I have a modified battery in here too. I took the, or do I have the Amutorch? Oh yeah, I do have the Amutorch. Come with an 18350. 18350. It's got this nice little lanyard ring. It does not have a pocket clip for how small it is. It's got this nice little lanyard ring though. That goes all the way around. Like a fidget, you can fidget with it if you want to. But I know you're here for the beam shots, so let's get these beam shots. Turn these lights out. And so on this one, the features, if you hit it once, now you're in step up mode. So it can step up from low, medium, high, double click, turbo, triple click, flashers, off. Okay, now if you hold it to start, you can ramp. Now you're in ramping mode. You can ramp up to the top, get a click. You can ramp down to the bottom, get a click. Turbo, double click, or that's triple, my bad, double click, turbo. Back to ramping. So I can ramp up, ramp down, okay, turbo, strobe. So depending on how you start, so if let's say I want to start in step mode, just click it. Now I'm in low, medium, high, okay, and so forth. Off, if I want to ramp, hold it. Now I'm in ramping. Okay. I haven't figured out how to lock it, I don't think. 4 clicks, lockout mode. Sometimes I forget. See, now it's in lockout mode. 4 clicks will unlock it. Okay. And I think it has memory. So let's see. Medium, high, low, medium, high. Turn it off. Click, it should go to high or start on low. Starts on high, so it does have memory. Let's go to low. Turn it off. Starts on low. Let's go off ramping. Let's ramp up. Oh, it's ramping down. Okay, moonlight. Off. Yep, moonlight. If you go back into ramping. Let's ramp up. High. Off. Ramping. High. Yep, so that's memory. I like ramping. I'll go ramping around medium, somewhere around there. Off. Yeah, perfect. So there's your Amutorch. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We're gonna get strobe effect on the freaking lights. You tried to mess up my shot. I saw you. I saw you. Caught you. Caught you. Caught you. Fucking dunta. So there you go, Amutorch E3S. Beautiful little light. Beautiful little light. So, top 5 EDC carry items. Number 1 on my list, flashlight. Where would it rank on your list? We'll leave the conversation right there. If you have anything to add, drop a comment below. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to subscribe, have at it. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. EDC, over and out.